Alright, what's good, fam? Andy tuning back in, man. As you can tell, I've already been working, prepping my veggies. I got, well, the recipe calls for 1 medium potato, 1 carrot, and 1 yellow or white onion, however, and 7 green onions. Now, you know me, I like to tweak shit. I did about maybe 2 or 3's worth of carrots, for sure 3 potatoes, and what else? Two medium-sized onions. I like heat, so I added 2 serranos. I added some garlic, because I mean, what's food without garlic? And the potatoes I have over here, I washed them a little bit, kind of like a hash brown type of thing, and I drained them, put a little salt, and just pat them dry with these paper towels. You don't have to do it in the video. I don't think she mentioned it. By the way, the recipe is coming from Do It Plain. Her channel's on YouTube, is how I found it. Shout outs to her for these fritters that I'm about to make. Just real smooth, like, trying my best here. Okay. So these are the potatoes that I say grated. She took the peels off, the skin off. I did not. But here it is. Just trying to prep a little bit ahead. I did end up adding some zucchini or some squash. I didn't grate those. I just kind of squared them into little squares. No big deal. I'm hoping this is not too much, because wow, look at me. I'm already all the way to the max right here. Okay. So let's stir this up before I add the binding ingredients, which is coming next. She recommended chickpea flour. I couldn't find any in my local grocery store, so I chose some almond flour, right? Yes, sir. I'm sure you can use regular white flour, whatever flour you got on deck. Some cornmeal, probably. A lot of things could work here. Oh, there goes the squash. Calabacita. And then just add a little Asian twist. I did add some minced up garlic. I'm not big on the ASMR, so sorry I didn't show you that, but trust me, you can fool with this quite a bit. The green onions are already in there. I have more to garnish, and if necessary, I can add more. Bye, man. I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning. She only asked for salt, black pepper, and cumin. I added all kinds of things: oregano, onion, garlic powder, some gochugaru for the spice. If you know what that is, it's like a Korean type of spice. All right, where's my flour? Now, for the flour, she asked for 3/4 cups of flour. I times this by 3. So I'm going to do, for sure, 1 cup of flour. Try to do my best to mix it all up. So 3/4, that's a half. So about, what, 2 1/4? Yeah, right? 1/2. Hopefully that's right there. And now for the milk, I blended my own milk. This time I didn't have no almonds, so it was just cashews and walnuts. Bam. I rinsed them. I soaked them for about 2 hours or so. Hopefully, I like to, you know what I'm saying, soak them overnight, but whatever. I did not. It still worked though, because I'm timing it by 3, sort of. I'm gonna do just 1 full cup. The recipe calls for 1/3 of a cup for these fritters. It's okay with me. I don't want it too filled with moisture. Let's stir this up until we get a nice consistency. Again, I'm basically tripling the portion here, so bear with me. You don't have to. I'm just meal prepping for the rest of the week. You can put this with some sauce. I'm doing it over some rice. You could bake burgers, do all kinds of things with this recipe, just like that, on the side of some other dish, however you feel comfortable. But this is gonna turn out real nice here. Let's see. So it's not caking up the way hers was. I'm gonna have to adjust and add a little bit more flour. Okay. The potato should make it all stick, but I probably will end up adding a little bit more flour here in a second. I'm gonna make sure everything's mixed up. Hands already getting sore from doing this. Whew. Got a lot of fritters to fry, man. Okay, so turns out I will be adding a little bit more flour to this. Maybe like a half cup there. Remember, she recommended using chickpea flour. I don't know if that really makes a difference, but hers was a lot more cake-like, almost like a pancake type of thing. Hopefully I'm not messing this up here. Okay. Don't really feel like adding too much moisture, being that the potato can make itself a little hash brown, so it is what it is. See if it balls up. No, not quite. Another half cup of flour. Another third of milk. Okay. I think this might be it. I'll be back because I'm wasting camera. Hold up. Ah, man. I made the suggestions. Excuse me. I made the adjustments to this this fritter mix. Now I think I'm ready, man. Got it over medium heat. A little bit of avocado oil. Go ahead and start spooning my mixture. Where am I at? Okay. Trying to get a little bit of everything in each scoop. Okay. A little bit uneven on this side. Get the homie on this side. Okay, I don't want it too flat. Also don't want it too clumpy. Just something right, you know, it's not gonna be perfect. Okay. Almost look like tuna salad over here, man, but it's cooking, it's cooking. Alright, man. Should be just a few minutes on each side. Might try to do, you know, 33 minutes per side. Not too crazy. In the meantime, I got my rice going. I'm about to fix my salad together. So yeah, man. Just enjoying the low afternoon right now. Just chilling. Kicking back and getting ready to cook these up, man. Give me about 3 or so minutes. I'm gonna flip them. Let me see what it do. Probably adjust the heat here in a little bit. But that's my first batch. You know what I'm saying? It might come out burnt, but it is what it is. I'll be right back, y'all. Hold up. They're cooking. I can smell them. I think it's time for the flip here. Oh. Oh. Alright, a little more cooked, I would like them. And the consistency not all the way there, but hey man, we're gonna do what it do. No big deal. Be back with the review. This is probably the last thing I'm gonna do on the video because I got all kinds of shit I gotta do here to prep for the week. Alright man, in a few minutes. What's up world? Eddie tuning back in for the review Big shout out to Do It Plain on YouTube for these fritters, man. It didn't come out as I planned to, how I wish it would come out, but it looks good, it smells good. And it is what it is, man. Got the meal prep ready for the week. I did add a few little different veggies. Wish I would have bought some cilantro because that makes it fire. But regardless, go ahead and take a bite. Yeah, the texture was a little off. I raised up the temperature on the pan, made it slightly better, but just haven't been able to find the good textures for the past few meals. Not sure what's going on, but here, man. Cheers. First bite. Pretty mild in taste. Nothing too extraordinary. It is a little spicy, but not too much. The onion is not overpowering, even though I added 2 whole onions, the yellow ones and the green ones. I do enjoy the different textures. The squash I did not grade, so that's a little plus. The little squares of squash, tremendous. I will pour some sriracha over this. Maybe some soy sauce could have been clutch with this. I mean, the plant-based milk I'm making myself, so I don't think there would be too much of a crossing of flavors, stomach-wise. I don't think it'd be too much of a problem. But other than that, I'm enjoying it. I'm happy that I made this. I wish I would have got the texture right. Maybe mess with the ingredients. Like I said, every time I cook, it's the first time I cook something, so it is what it is. Sometimes, it's ups and downs, man. Ups and downs to this. But other than that, big shout out to Do It Plain. It's my first time making whatever recipes. It was tremendous. It was great. I'm enjoying it with some rice, chilling with this jasmine rice. And yeah, man, that's basically it. Thank y'all for tuning in, bro. It's Andy tuning out. Peace.